Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and I wanted to share with you a bunch of entrepreneurial ideas that students can do in high school, even if you're at college, just side hustles, even if you are in middle school. There are a ton of ideas that you can do, and it could be as simple as reselling something that you see at like the dollar store. So here are a bunch of shorts we've made this past year.
I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just sat with the men, politicians. I'm trying to change the image. You can't.
Darling, don't be afraid. I love you for
What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm doing me. I'm doing me.
The road car gunshot a fire whole heap. Them have no mercy. The youth reach and peak, so now them a turn up the heat.
Where they are actually real. This is all real student entrepreneurial ideas. I will tell you, this is such and such Alyssa or Malcolm. We have Tristy. We have Karma. We have Praise. Oh gosh, who am I forgetting? Jarrell. I apologize if I'm forgetting someone. But we have a bunch of student entrepreneurs right now here at the high school level where I'm teaching, and even in the past. So I'm going to share with you some of my ideas as well as the other ideas that we have going on. Enjoy the shorts. Till next time. Okay, so I just made a fabulous head wrap with the cricut. But this is
I remember when.
I came for the party, ice out, dripping in color.
Please come get this out. And I tell you one thing, if you don't come
on, baby, come on.
When you walk by.
Oh my gosh, students, you have to try this cookie. It's crazy.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Student entrepreneurs, here's an idea. You could buy the moon pie